Hey everyone, welcome back to Smooth TV. Today we have some exciting news. Kodi 21 Omega has finally been released. In this video, I'll show you how to install it on your Firestick and Android devices. Plus, I'll be sharing my thoughts on whether it's worth upgrading from the previous version. But before we dive in, let's talk about something that can truly enhance your Kodi experience, a top-tier IPTV service. If you're looking for the best IPTV provider of 2024, look no further than Strong 4K IPTV. Offering over 28,000 channels, 4K Ultra HD quality, and anti-freeze technology, Strong 4K IPTV is a game changer. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Alright, let's get started with installing Kodi 21 Omega on Firestick. Follow these steps. Head over to the Find section on your Firestick home screen. Search for Downloader and install it. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps and enable Downloader. Open Downloader and enter the code 773820 to go directly to my download page. Scroll down to find Kodi 21 Omega, select the 32-bit version and hit download. Once downloaded, click install. And that's it, you now have Kodi 21 Omega on your Firestick. Now let's move on to installing Kodi 21 Omega on Android devices. For Android devices, it's even simpler. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Downloader and install it. Open Downloader and enter the code 773820 to go to my download page. Find Kodi 21 Omega, select the 32-bit version, and download it. Install the APK, and you're all set. Now that you have Kodi 21 Omega installed, let's talk about what's new. This version includes significant under-the-hood improvements, enhanced performance, increased security, and support for LG WebOS TVs. There are also new skinning features for more customizable builds. And there you have it, folks. Kodi 21 Omega is now ready to enhance your entertainment experience. Don't forget to check out Strong 4K IPTV for an unmatched viewing experience with over 28,000 channels and 100,000 VOD options. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smooth TV for more great content. See you next time.